Hello everyone and welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. Today we're gonna create this awesome Paracord bracelet using the brown Paracord 550 and this gold one. The full dimension you have in the description down below, and the tutorial how to create this Paracord bracelet core with the 4 inner strands and 2 working ends you have in the top right corner of this video in the cards. So click here so you will have the full tutorial. And that being said, we're gonna continue creating this awesome Paracord bracelet. This creation came from the Spartan Paracord on the Instagram, so go ahead and check him out. And now we're gonna take the left cord and we're gonna make it on top of those 2 first cords and in the middle between the second and the third cord, or in the middle of the bracelet as you wish. And we're gonna take the left one and we're gonna make it under this. We're gonna take the right cord and we're gonna make it under the left cord, like so. And then in the middle, between second and the third cord of the bracelet core, and then through the loop on the left side, like so. By doing this, we create the horizontal paracord strands and 2 loops on each side, so we actually lock the working 2 ends. Now we're gonna take the right strand cord and we're gonna make it in the middle of those 2 cords. And here, pay attention, we're gonna insert the cord from the back side into the loop, like so. And then we're gonna insert it into the gap between third and the fourth cord. And from here we're gonna insert it in the gap between third and the fourth cord from the back side, like so. And now through the loop here, as you can see. Now we're gonna do the left one, so in the middle between second and the third cord, like so. And then from the back side into the loop on the left, and now from here insert it into the gap between first and the second cord from the top, and from the back side also in the gap between first and the second cord of the bracelet base or bracelet core, like so. And now pull it here and through the loop here. Now I'm gonna tighten it up and continue. So take the left side cord and make it into the middle, in between second and the third cord, and from this right strand under the left strand, from the top into the middle of the bracelet cord, and then through the loop on the left side. And we created the knot. Now we're gonna take the right strand cord, insert it into the middle of the bracelet cord, then from the back side into the loop on the right side, and from here, from the top into the gap between third and the fourth cord, as you can see here. Now from the back side, again in the gap between third and the fourth cord, and then through the loop on the right side. And we're gonna form almost the X shape. Now we're gonna do the same on the left, so in the middle, and then from the back side through the loop on the left, and now from the top side into the gap between first and the second cord of the bracelet base, and now from the back side into that gap, through, and then through the loop here. So that's it. We finished the second wave or the third wave, as you wish, of this project. Now we're gonna pull it to make it tight. And here we are, we reach almost the end of today's project. We'll have just to cut off this excess of cord and finish it with the basic cobra knot. So I'm gonna detach it from the jig, and we're gonna cut off the excess of a cord. So now we're gonna create the basic cobra knot. Right strand on the top, left strand on top of the right one, around, under, and through the loop on the right side. Now we're gonna pull it, and here we're gonna finish and secure it our today's project. So now here, and one more thing, from here we're gonna take the paracord needle and we're gonna insert it into the gap between those two cords. And here we are finished. I hope that you like this tutorial. If you do, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. Also hit that bell button so you will stay in touch. Whenever we post the new content, you will be notified. So until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. Dale signing out. See ya, bye.